This is computer assisted trainer. Its model name is XPO-CAT. It is aesthetically designed injection molded electronic desk, that is master unit, carrying useful experiment resources like power supply, function generator, frequency counter, logic input switches, status indicator, etc. Now we can observe the section on the master unit. This is power supply section located at right top corner of the master unit, which includes fixed and variable power supply. This is logic indicators used for output of the experiments. This is logic probe. This is TTL pulsar for giving the pulse to the any experiment. This is reference voltage 0 to 2.5 volt. This is input data switches used for giving the logic input to the digital experiment. This is ADC DAC section with 4 channel ADC input and 1 DAC output. This is BCD to 7 segment converter. This is frequency counter with the range of 2 Hz to 2 MHz. This is function generator. This is BPM section with the to measure DC voltage and current. Now we will see how to remove the CAT panel to reach the fault PCB. First of all, unlock these locator pins and pull up the PCB using 2 knobs. Now you can see the fault PCB. These are 14 fault switches and this is Euro connector. Instructor can introduce fault using these 14 switches if he wishes. It should be inserted in. This is CAT panel. It is large side double side PCB. 2, 3 slots on the master unit, here, here and here. In this fashion, insert the PCB and push down the PCB to plug it into 64 pin Euro connector. Lock the PCB using 2 keys located at upper 2 corners. Now we see how to install the drivers and software for the XPO-CAT. Insert the CD in your CD-ROM and explore the CD, in which BL Digital Electronics 1 folder. Just double click on setup.exe. Click on the next button. Click I accept the license agreement, then next, then again next. It will start the installation of Virtual Lab Digital Electronics 1. Now press the button finish. Now the right click on ucom.inf. You click on install option. This is USB I/O module for interface to computer assisted trainer. Now right click on my computer, properties, select the tab hardware, in which click on device manager. Now connect USB I/O module to PC USB port. It will be detected as a human interface devices. Expand the list by clicking plus button. Right click on second option, USB human interface devices. Update the driver. Choose third option. Next. Again choose second option, install from list or specific location. Click next. Don't search, I will choose the install. Again click next. In this window, click on LBTNX 5000, then next, finish. As you can see in the device manager, it will be detected as a NI Visa USB device. Now close the window, click on OK. This is the hindsight of the master unit. You can connect the 25-pin USB I/O module at the hindsight of the master unit. Select the UCOM-PCOM switch at the UCOM side. Now switch on the master unit. Now we will see how to perform computer interface with master unit. For computer interface, we are using Virtual Lab Digital Electronics 1 software, which is the EXE made up of using the LabVIEW software of National Instrument USA. Now go to the Start, All Programs, Virtual Lab Digital Electronics 1. It will ask for the enter the CD key. You can enter the CD key from given CD and click on OK button. This is the software Virtual Lab. Now click on next button. These are the digital electronics experiments like basic logic gates, combinational circuits, counters, shift registers. First of all, we will perform the basic logic gates, where you can select the mode for hardware interface, that is online, in which select the option UCOM. Now click on Start button. Select the gate in the list. Now connect the patch cords as per given in the manual, that is wiring sequence.
म्हणजे इथलं डेटा ते तिथं निगेटिव्ह होऊन यायला पाहिजे.
Now you can perform the AND gate operation by giving the input to the AND gate and observe the output of the AND gate on LED, that is on logic indicators. and give the input from input data switches, or by clicking on the mouse. By clicking virtual switch using mouse, by clicking the virtual switch on screen by using mouse, or by operating the switch from master unit, you can select the input data switches from the list given in input A, like switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, and as per this, connect the wirings on the input data switches on the hardware. You can perform this other experiment by this method, like combinational circuits, counters and shift registers.